This is a 2000 Chevy Blazer sunroof reassembly. Just going to touch on a couple of items here that the directions are typically clear as mud. So there's a couple of things here: lift arm positioning, alignment, and 99 through 03 motor timing. All right, so I'm going to touch on both of those real quick. They said pull the motor. That's 3 screws. That's from the other side. So that leaves you with this on this side. So 1 screw, 20, torque 25. This cover comes off. Leaves you with this. All right, so what happens is you can take this wheel off, take this wheel out, and now your cables, you see one there, they can now move independent of each other, so that your trolleys can move. Here's your trolley right there. Your trolleys can move back and forth. They aren't connected to each other, so you can fine tune them. All right, so alignment for the parts can only basically take place in one position. We are piece all the way forward, and you can see it fits in the notches there. There's an alignment hole here, also on the back side here. So alignment pin, through the holes. Okay, that one's all set. All right, so there are all your parts all lined up. Now they want you to time the motor. So this cover comes off. One screw. Plastic gear, metal gear. Okay, now you need to remove the little circuit board. That comes out, and then you get one more wheel. It says locate the dark colored metal cable driven wheel, recessed white wheel on the control module. Rotate the black wheel till the dot on the recessed wheel is centered in the view window. All right, so I just pull everything out, and here's your inspection window right there. So Pick this up. Has little markings on the back. So what we're going to do see our timing hole there, a little timing hole. So drop that in. Here's your timing hole. So we'll just leave it in the middle. Okay, it's basically 6 o'clock. Basically leave that at 6 o'clock. Now we're gonna reinstall our metal gear. Our circuit board. Make sure nothing's, make sure nothing's moved. Well, we're still good. Double check. Still centered. So now, put this back. So now, theoretically, this is timed, and our moving track pieces are positioned properly. Now I'm going to reattach the motor and reinstall. Oh, one more thing. This is anyway.